Paint the walls with colors that you're not meant to notice. Beiges and browns, off-whites and grayscales, fluorescent lights to shine on the eggshell ground. Now you're lying face down, you blend into the background of white noise. They fill the halls with tunes you can't get into your head. 4/4 and Dorian wrote them for ignoring them. Yeah, it sorta sounds like a retro top 40, but wrong. You're not meant to sing along. It isn't that kind of song. It's white noise. But if you listen closely, I swear to God, I swear, you can hear the ocean if you hold it up to your ear. Here, white noise. If you listen close between the waves, white noise. You can hear the ocean through your wake, white noise. Listen close between the waves, white noise. Through your wake. It's high fidelity, lossless quality. It's MP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 FMC. It's polyphonic, the new Philharmonic with a Juilliard doctorate live for the Metropolitan. It's theoretically dense, it's impressive. It's microtonal and it challenges Western notions of art. It's post-op on guard. It's going places cause it comes from the heart. And its personality's a lack of identity. It makes no statement but does so quite loudly. It's anesthetic, anesthetic, and it's an experience for your seventh sense. Yes, does it cure cancer? Wow, it begs the question just to tell you the answer. Do you believe in the power of science? Well, if you walk the walk, can you talk or quiet? You find you can't even feel. Try to make room in your skull, but it's full of them. All of the things that you think and then think about thinking. I know it's hard, but they're not who you